You are the star. All eyes will be on you. You had this gift since you were a little child. Your mother knew you were special. Everyone knew you were special. Even those that chose to isolate you or laugh at you to try and make you feel like you didn't fit in. They secretly wished that they possessed the same unique qualities that you have. The way you are so bold with your creative expression, your different hair colors, the way you march to the beat of your own drum, the way you didn't need anyone. Your mystery has a lot of people intrigued. Many people wish that they could read your mind, and they often wonder how you can read theirs. It's a gift from God. You have an immense wealth of wisdom, highly spiritual, highly intuitive. And many people feel like you live this social life where you're going out all the time and you're out with your friends drinking, going to different expensive restaurants, but secretly you just like home. People are so intrigued by your life. They want to know what you do, who you do it with. If you are a male, they feel like you have women throwing themselves at you. People have seen women literally obsess over you, fall in love with you, and you're oblivious to it all. And people wonder, how do you do it? Some people feel like you're in a secret relationship and you don't admit and you don't deny. People see you as an empress, very regal, very proud, with a raw energy. People feel like they're in the presence of a superstar, a powerhouse, a goddess. We've got the Empress and the Emperor, two counterparts. Some of you could be in a power couple and people are like, we get it. Yeah, we're jealous, but we get it. We wish it was us. A lot of people put respect on your name. You are strong, powerful in your own right. And your partner is equally as powerful and strong in their own right. Two leaders, two dynamic forces. Some of you could be Tauruses. You got the Queen and King of Pentacles. And many people are intrigued about how you both make your money. How you have both stayed together for so long, being in love and loyal. And the secret is, I feel for both of you, is having that respect for each other, being on the same page, working together as a team as opposed to working against each other. And that's what makes it work. Not to say you don't have your arguments, your disagreements, but you both get back to the drawing board and focus on what's important. And people just feel like your goals. And I know nothing or no one's relationship is, but people view your connection as goals. People view your connection as one to strive for. People see you as a boss, a provider, a hard worker. People can't take their eyes off how determined you are. What are you going to do next? You're fun to watch. You are an enigma. Some of you could be coaches and you're just very passionate about your role and it's very intriguing. You're all about spotting the next big talent. And some of you are extremely private and you work behind the scenes, and when you come out with your work of art, people are in awe, like, How did they come out of that idea? I didn't even know that they had that talent. When did they find the time for that talent? Your aura is bright, and the way you express yourself in regards to your work, in regards to what you wear, in regards to how you do your hair is unforgettable. When you walk down the street, people stare at you. Maybe it's your loud clothes, maybe it's your loud aura. People can't get their eyes off you. You shine like the sun. You have a very unique beauty, very piercing eyes. You radiate a lot of inner peace, and that makes people feel peaceful within. You have an energy that brings a lot of hope, wisdom. It's like you channel spirit whenever you're giving people advice. A lot of people may come to you for advice. A lot of people see you as a teacher. Some of you could be teachers in a university. Some of you could be at university. And even when you're walking through those halls, people are staring at you like you are so gorgeous without makeup. You could be talking to people and they're not even listening. They're just staring at your beauty. You may get people telling you all the time, you are so beautiful. You're like, thank you. You may get so shy. People find you to be very alluring. You have a very intense gaze, a very seductive stare, even though you may not mean to, but people just find you to be extremely mesmerizing, unforgettable. I'm hearing like black cat energy, dark feminine vibes. You don't mean to come across in this way, but people just find you to be so smegsy in a sultry way. Think Betty Boop, that type of vibe as well. Some of you may like wearing short skirts, or you have this cute way. I know this woman's not necessarily cute, but she's very intense. You may have high cheekbones, but I'm thinking Betty Boop as well. You could have like a round face. Some of you could have like high cheekbones, and it's a word I'm thinking of. I'm unassuming. People of the same gender are attracted to you. You have a universal appeal. And I feel like many people want to be around you. They want to invest in you. And when you do get into connections, people want to actually lock you down and marry you. You may have found that whoever you're dating now may have said to you at the beginning of the relationship, I'm going to marry you. And you may have thought they were joking, like this lady, like, yeah, right. yeah. You're a good joker. But they were like, no, I'm going to marry you. And they did. And whoever you date, or if you're dating right now, because you could have a crush, they feel the same way. They can't keep their eyes off you. Even if you are married to this person, they still crush on you like you were both in your 30s again when they first met you. They will always find you attractive. They cannot stop fancying you. You are their forever crush. They literally feel like they hit the jackpot when they met you. People literally feel like you are a superstar. You know, the way people gravitate towards you, the way people stare at you, the way people obsess about you, the way people fan over you, even if they are trying to team up with others to come up against you, it's because they're secret fans. You know, because secretly they want to be your friend. Secretly they want to be a fly on the wall. Secretly they want to experience you. Secretly they want to be you. You've got that it factor. All eyes will be on you because there's some type of milestone that you're going to achieve. You're going to gain some type of victory. You will overcome some type of adversary. Some of you may give birth to a child. That is the new, success that's going to occur for your family. Congratulations. Some of you are going to get married. Some of you are going to become partners in a organization. Some of you may open up a business with your partner or open up your own business. Some of you may also have your own allotment and your fruits and vegetables are the best. So all eyes are on you. You may get people asking, how do you do it? What do you use to grow your carrots so amazing, or your tomatoes? Some of you could be going for audition. You're going to get it for some type of photo shoot. Some of you are going to go viral on social media. You're going to release some type of music, art, dance, something creative. You could be doing sports. You could be at a sports event and people, I feel for some of you, you could even get scouted for your skills and your talents, for your art, for your music. I'm seeing some people doing concerts, attending a concert and getting scouted. Are you a singer? Are you a rapper? Just by the way you look. Can I be your agent? Can I be your manager? Because of the clothes that you're wearing, because of your essence, because you've got star quality. All eyes are on you. When you are at work, people are fixated on your mannerisms, on your leadership, your natural innate leadership qualities. It can be intimidating at first, but it's respected. You get the job done. Your regalness, the way you carry yourself with class and grace, with respect, people cannot dare think they can disrespect you. And if they try, they learn soon enough. You're not the one to play with, because you have respect for yourself, the way you have respect for others. And you will treat me with respect, or I will just act as if you do not exist. All eyes are on you. It's the way you carry yourself, and people have no choice but to respect you because you respect yourself. 1 minute you're there, the next minute you disappear. Your mystery is intriguing. Many people obsess about you. Many people want to learn you, want to know about your private life. Many people speculate about you. You're always the topic of conversation in whatever group, in whatever workplace, at university, online. When you post a picture, people are the first to look at it in your stories, but they may not like it. And some people may even hide their name, but view your progress. We have Uranus. Some of you are going to go viral. Some of you are going to do something on social media. You may create an account. You may create a YouTube page. You may create a TikTok. You may create Instagram, and it's going to go viral. Some of you may create your own podcast. All eyes are going to be on you. People are going to find you to be mesmerizing, unique. There's something that you're going to create that is going to be unique, that people will be talking about for years to come. Could be something to do with sports, because Neptune's in Aries right now, right? You may do something in sports whereby you make it look magical. You may move in a certain way whereby people may feel like it's elegant, it's graceful, it's out of this world, it's cinematic. And you're doing the same thing as everyone else, but the way you do it is mesmerizing, is ethereal. You're going to bring magic to life just by your art, the way you move your body. Some of you could be extremely good dancers. I'm seeing someone in a dance studio and they're practicing the moves, the choreographer moves with other people, but the way you do it is on another level. You know, like how MJ, he danced better than his dancers, and Beyonce danced better than her dancers, and Janet Jackson dances better. Yeah, it's that type of vibe. And the same applies if you are an athlete as well. Like if you are a swimmer, if you are a boxer, if you are a martial artist, if you are, I'm seeing a hockey player, if you are a basketball player, the way you move with that ball, the way you move your arm, your movements, the way you kick, The way you run is just so beautiful to watch. That's it. You're going to be beautiful to watch, even though you're executing what you are supposed to do and how it's been done, but you're going to put that magical touch to it. People are going to feel like they're literally witnessing magic. I'm seeing people's mouth open, like nudging. Did you just see that? Trying to find you on social media, trying to see if they can see whatever you presented. For some of you, you could be a footballer. I'm thinking about Ryan Cherky. He's a new signing to the team that I support. Me and my son support Man City. They've got the dream team, in my opinion. The new signing. He's a Leo. They're calling him the new Messi. This guy, he's out of this world. He has been held as playing in the wrong era. Because when I was growing up, it was about Ronaldinho, Ronaldo, these type of guys that were just like real ballers. Even Yamar, he's seen as being born in the wrong era, because he's like an old school footballer. Like Cherky is seen also as better than Yamar. I still have to study that. It's debatable right now, but apparently Cherky is good with both feet. Yamar's only good with one, right? Cherky, he's a creative player and he sets other players up to score those amazing goals that they score. When he comes into the game, especially if the team's struggling, he changes the whole game. He is a genius. He's a Leo as well. Jupiter's a Leo. You know how to do his chart, guys. So when Jupiter goes into Leo, he's going to be standing out. All eyes will be on him. All eyes are on him right now, but not a lot of people know about him. But I am picking up strongly, if you are an artist, if you are an athlete, like all eyes will be